Hi, welcome to the Eastern Township School Board series of videos. In this module, we're going to look how to capture your screen using the Macintosh. So how do we capture a screen and why do we do it? Well, first of all, let's look at the browser here. I've got the how to take a screenshot on your Mac here from the support at Apple. So to take a screenshot on your Mac, there are three different techniques. The first one is to hold down Shift, Command, and 3. Now it's important to hold these together. So you hold down Shift, Command, and 3. A lot of people I see when I tell them that, they'll use Shift, after that they'll use Command, and then after that 3. That will not do a thing. You have to hold all three together. And when you do so, that will take a screenshot of your entire screen. The second way is a lot better. You hold down Shift, Command, 4. And what this will do is it'll give you a little crosshair, and then you can just drag it to capture a part of your screen. So in the example here, you'll start on the top left corner and scroll down all the way down to here and then let go, and that will save the screenshot of just the image. The third method is to hold down Command Shift 4 again, but this time you have to add the space bar. And you don't have to do it all at the same time. So what I do is I hold down Shift Command 4, which gives me my little crosshair, and then I press the space bar and I let go. Now when you move around your little camera icon, it'll highlight the different windows. Right now I'm highlighting my desktop, and if I click in my browser, I'm highlighting just this. Now why would I want to do that? Well, let's say I'm working on something and I want to show it to the teacher. I need to show what I was looking at, so I can just take a screenshot and then send an email and attach that, which we'll do in a different module, in module 4, about attaching an image to an email. So I'm just going to click here, and then two things are going to happen. First, you're going to hear the camera shutter, and then you're going to see a little icon show up here, a little preview of it. So I'm just going to swipe this away with my mouse, and a few seconds later it'll show up on my desktop right here. Now the name is automatically created, so it'll call it screenshot. It'll have the date and the time on it as well. So what I want to do is I want to find that. So let me just hide Chrome here, and to find it I'm going to double click my hard drive, and I'm going to click on my desktop under my favorites here, and then you can see the screenshot here. Now there are different ways to organize this, as we've seen before. You can organize it in icon view, in list view, or in column view. I personally prefer the column view, but for this, if you want to find something, it's actually easier to look at list view, because the list view you can organize by name. You can also organize by date modified. So by clicking on date modified, it will put your newest file right at the top, and you can see here I took that today at 9:56. So here's my screenshot. I want to transfer it to my school folder, which I created earlier and put under my favorite. So all I have to do is click on it, drag it to my school folder, and voila. Now if I click on my school folder, there's my screenshot right here. And again, because this is the Mac, when you click on it, you'll have a nice preview of it and all kinds of information as to when it was created, the size of it, the color space, and so on and so forth. So that's an easy way to capture a screenshot and to transfer it into a folder.